Hey guys, it's Kristen at Orpha Beatrice. Today I'm taking you step by step with an easy DIY photo transfer ornament. I've got a little bit of some allergies going, so sorry if I sound kind of stuffy. This is the perfect DIY holiday gift, and it's a great way to utilize your family photos or school pictures. Let's get started. For materials, you're going to need some wood blanks, and I found these at Joann Fabrics. You'll also need a Modge Podge photo transfer kit. It comes with the transfer medium and the sponge brush. I linked one from Amazon in the description box below, so it can be at your door like tomorrow. If you're following me on Instagram too, you can check out my photo ornament tab where I show you all the other wood blanks available at stores like Walmart, Dollar Tree, and Joann Fabrics. Also, make sure you tag me in your finished ornaments so that I can share them and cheer you on. The most important piece of this project is going to be your photo. You don't want to use real photographs. You have to use a photocopy with a dry toner copier. So essentially, just send it to Office Depot and have them print it for you. I actually had my husband print his on his big office printer. Also, make sure that you ask for a mirror image or a reversed copy. So if any of your photos have words on them, the words will be flipped. Other non-essentials for this project that I'm using are a gloss Modge Podge to add some shine, which I found at the Dollar Tree, and also some champagne gold paint to line the rim. I'll also show you how to do some glitter if you really want to go wild. You're going to start by prepping your photo 24 hours before, and you guys know that I hate a project with prep before, but I tried this with 3 different transfer mediums, and this is the best way to get the best result. So honestly, the 24-hour wait is worth it for how easy it makes this project and how nice the finished result turns. You want to cover the image evenly so that you can't see the photo through the medium. Next, you'll want to position your wood blank and then flip the project over to remove any creases or buckles in the paper. You want the image to lay as flat as possible. And then you'll wait the 24 hours. Don't forget to rinse and dry your black sponge. We'll be using it again. After the 24 hours, use a sharp pair of scissors to cut around the wood blank, removing the excess paper. Using your black sponge and a little bit of water, wet the paper completely so that you can see the image underneath, and then we're going to wait 2 minutes. To remove the paper, I used my fingers. I tried removing it using a soft bristle toothbrush, and I felt like it was too aggressive on the photo. So you can either do circular motions like I'm doing, or a back and forth motion like this to kind of remove that top layer. You want to use pressure, but you don't want to be so heavy-handed that you're digging into the wood blank. Just enough to roll the paper off of the image. A good trick that I used for this project was to remove that first layer of paper and then let it dry for just a few minutes. When it's wet, it's really easy to miss some of the paper on the ornament, but when you let it dry, the photo starts to look cloudy because the paper turns white again. So it exposes where the paper needs a little bit more rubbing. Here's what it looks like after I let it dry for a little bit to expose that paper. So you can see it's kind of cloudy. So I just used a little bit more water and then continued to rub. The closer that you get also to the photo, the more gentle you want to be as you're rubbing. So honestly, just take your time. There's no rush, and it's worth getting all of the paper off so that the image doesn't look cloudy. I ended up doing this process about 3 times. So total time to take the paper off was like 15 minutes. Once you've completely removed the paper, let the photo dry completely for about 5 minutes. This is a great time to clean your workspace. You don't want your paper bits sneaking into your gloss or your glitter. I'm going to add a layer of gloss to the top, which is a totally optional step. But I did get this gloss at the Dollar Tree. So if you're following along on Instagram, I've also got a Dollar Tree version of this ornament where I bought the wood blank at the Dollar Tree and I'm using this gloss to apply a real photo. So if you're interested in a different, more budget-friendly version of this ornament, you can check out that tutorial on Instagram. You can use a utility knife to cut around the hole of the ornament or the end of a small paintbrush like I'm doing. I'm also adding a little whimsy with a gold rim. This kind of helps mask anywhere that the photo came off, and it also looks really good. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're more of a gold or silver person when it comes to decorating. We are definitely more gold people. You can also use a little bit of Scotch tape to tape off an area to paint and glitter, kind of like a Christmas ball. I would love to see your finished projects, so don't forget to tag me on Instagram. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I would sure appreciate it. If there's a tutorial you want to see or a product you want me to test, let me know in the comments below. I love making with you guys. See you next time.